Hello dear shining stars, a very warm welcome to your English grammar class. So here we are going to start again a new chapter from the book Focus English Grammar Class 7 by Coral Publishers. Today we'll do chapter 9 और क्या है ये chapter? Adverbs and kinds of adverbs. So let's start the chapter here. पहले समझते हैं कि adverbs क्या होते हैं. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb वो word होता है जो कि किसी verb के meaning को या adjective को या दूसरे adverb को modify कर देता है. Okay? Read the sentences given below. She sings sweetly modifies the verb sing. Sing को modify किया. Sings को क्या modify किया? Sweetly. कैसा गाती है? बहुत मीठा. The weather is fairly warm modifies the adjective warm. अब ये fairly क्या है? Adjective है. इसको warm को modify किया. कैसा warm? Fairly warm. Anita speaks very loudly. अब modifies the adverb loudly. Loudly adverb है और इसको कैसा modify किया कि कैसा बोलती है अनीता? बहुत जोर से बोलती है, very loudly. Kinds of adverbs. अब हम पढ़ेंगे कितने तरह के adverbs होते हैं. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency or number, adverbs of quantity or degree, interrogative adverbs. Now children, let's read about the adverbs of manner. Fine? An adverb of manner tells how or what manner an action is done. Adverb of manner बताता है कि कोई भी action कैसे हुआ है, how और किस तरह से, what क्या एक्शन हुआ है और कैसे हुआ है. क्या और कैसे का आंसर देता है adverb of manner. Read the sentences given below. Richa plays piano beautifully. Vinay worked hard to pass the entrance exam. Sohan managed the whole situation skillfully. In the above sentences, the adverbs beautifully, hard and skillfully shows how or in the manner in which an action is done. कैसे हुआ है और किस तरह हुआ है. Such adverbs are called adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner answers the question how or in what manner. Here is a list of a few common adverbs of manner. कुछ adverbs of manners यहाँ टेबल में दिए गए हैं. लिस्ट है ये एक. Badly, carefully, dangerously, frankly, hastily, bravely, cheaply, easily, fearlessly, honestly, beautifully, clearly, eagerly, foolishly, happily, brightly, carelessly, extremely, frequently, patiently, briefly, correctly, faithfully, fluently, politely. Peacefully, quietly, sincerely, kindly, properly, quickly, soundly, boldly, poorly, generously, stupidly, thoroughly, neatly, greatly, secretly, tightly, nicely, greedily, suspiciously and urgently. Now comes the adverbs of place. Adverb of place. An adverb of place tells where or at what place an action is done. कोई भी action कहाँ हुआ है और किस जगह पे हुआ है. Where and at what place. Read the sentences given below. You can play outside when it stops raining. She is going out. All the bedrooms are upstairs. The accident took place there. Amit looked for Vinay everywhere. Let's go somewhere for a holiday this weekend. In the above sentences, the adverbs outside, out, upstairs, there, everywhere, and somewhere show where an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of place. कहाँ हुआ है ये action? An adverb of place answers the question where. It is placed after the verb. Verb के बाद placed किया जाता है. Here is the list of few adverbs of place. आइए पढ़ते हैं इस लिस्ट को. Inside, upstairs, in, here, nearby, outside, downstairs, down, there, near. Indoors, away, up, backwards, within. Outdoors, above, far, forward, out, anywhere, everywhere, somewhere, nowhere, overseas. Next is adverbs of time. An adverb of time tells when or at what time an action is done. वो काम या वो action कब हुआ है? At what time? When और किस time पे? Read the sentences given below. I shall go there tomorrow. Anil met me yesterday. She will finish it today. The train will arrive soon. I rise early. The workers will begin their work now. The salesman came late. In the above sentences, the adverb tomorrow, yesterday, today, soon, early, now, yesterday and late show when an action is done. कब हुआ वो action? Such adverbs are called adverbs of time. An adverb of time answers the question when or at what time. Here is a list of few common adverbs of time. Afterward, formerly, presently, yesterday, today, tomorrow, lately, shortly, recently, early, immediately, already, yet, just, now, still, late, soon, after, before. Adverbs of frequency or number. अब पढ़ते हैं adverbs of frequency क्या होता है. An adverb of frequency or number tells how often or how frequently an action is done. कोई भी action कब हुआ है, कितनी बार हुआ है और कितनी frequently कितनी बार हुआ है, जल्दी जल्दी. Read these sentences given below. Mr. Gupta comes to our house daily. Mr. Gupta rarely comes to our club. The headmaster was almost angry. I called I called at your office twice. This exhibition is held annually in our school. In the above sentences, the adverbs daily, twice, rarely, almost, annually and always show how often or how frequently an action is done. An adverb of frequency or number answers the question. अब कौन सा क्वेश्चन इसमें क्या आंसर आता है? क्या क्वेश्चन है? How often इसका आंसर देता है. How often या how frequently. Here is a list of few common adverb of time. Frequently, periodically, constantly, occasionally, repeatedly, normally, generally, regularly, daily, weekly, monthly, rarely, often, seldom, always, usually, once, twice, yearly, sometimes. An adverb of quantity or degree tells how much or to what degree or to what extent a thing is done. Fine? क्या बताता है adverb of quantity या degree? How much? कितना? किस डिग्री तक? किस extent तक ये वर्क हुआ है? Read the sentences given below. I am extremely sorry. The old woman seems very tired. Mohan is too careless. The jug is nearly full. Adverbs of quantity or degree can also modify verbs, adjectives and adverbs. अब adverb of quantity जो है वो verbs को भी modify कर सकता है, adjective को भी और adverbs को भी. I really enjoyed the mouse. Modifies the verb enjoyed. Enjoyed को modify करता है. Really. really adverb of quantity है. The sun is extremely hot in May modifies the degree. Adjective जो है hot इसको modify करता है extremely. He is walking very slowly modifies the adverb slowly. In the above sentences, the adverbs very, to, extremely and nearly show how much or to what degree or to what extent a thing is done. किस हद तक, okay? An adverb of frequency or number answers the question how often or to what degree or to what extent. Here is a list of some common adverbs of quantity or degree. Adverb of quantity या degree के जो common adverbs हैं वो यहाँ listed हैं. Almost, most, entirely, fairly, to, as, completely, much, very, so, just, far, quite, enough, hardly, really, more, nearly, slightly, greatly. Now we'll read about the interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. कोई भी question जब होता है उसके लिए, कोई भी question जब पूछा जाता है उसके लिए interrogative adverbs use करते हैं. Read the sentences given below. Where has he come from? ये कौन सा है? Place. कहाँ से आया है? When will you go to the market? Time. When? Why do you want to meet him? Why is reason. How did you open this box? Manner. In the above sentences, the words where, when, why and how are classed as adverbs. Now the formation of adverbs. कैसे form होते हैं adverbs? कैसे बनते हैं? Most adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjective. Adjectives में जब ly add कर दिया जाता है तो वो बन जाता है adverb. Now look here. This is manner, time, degree and frequency. Cheap का क्या हो गया ly लग के? Cheaply, quick, quickly, clever, cleverly, short, shortly, late, lately, present, presently, hard, hardly, entire, entirely, slight, slightly, usual, usually, frequent, frequently, general, generally. Now children, let's do some exercises. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences and say of what kind each is and what word it modifies. अब हमें इसमें क्या करना है? इन sentences में हमें पहले तो adverbs ढूंढने हैं कि adverbs कौन से हैं और फिर वो किस तरह के adverbs हैं, उनका kind क्या है और किस word को वो modify करते हैं. Okay, let's start it. It was too late to go home. Too late. अब इसमें adverb क्या है? To. To is adverb, adverb of degree or quantity. And the word it modifies is late. Late को modify करता है तो ये है adverb और adverb of degree और quantity है और late जो है इस word को ये modify करता है. She has looked everywhere for the file. So everywhere. Everywhere is the adverb here and this is adverb of place. And the word it modifies is looked. Fine. I never scribble in a library book. Never is the adverb. और कैसा adverb है ये? Adverb of frequency. And the word it modifies is scribble. Okay children? Rohan works carefully. Works carefully. So carefully is the adverb and this is the adverb of manner. कैसे काम करता है वो? Carefully. And the word which it modifies is the works. Fine? They will start the project tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is adverb and this is adverb of time. The word which it modifies is, the word is project. Okay? When shall we meet again? Again. again is adverb. This is adverb of frequency and the word it modifies is meet. So now children, I hope you have understood it. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है adverbs क्या होते हैं, उनके kinds समझ में आ गए हैं. Do the rest of the sentences yourself. Now let's move further. Fill in the blanks with the adverbs from the box. कुछ adverbs यहाँ दिए हुए हैं बॉक्स में, आपको पहले उनको रीड करेंगे और फिर जो सही adverb है उसको हम blanks में fill करेंगे. Soon, let's read the adverbs first. Soon, inside, seldom, late, always, neatly, quickly, brightly, today, hard. I have arranged all the books. Books को कैसे arrange किया है? I have arranged all the books neatly. Neatly. Fine. Someone is hiding. कहाँ? Someone is hiding inside. अंदर छुपा हुआ है कोई. Someone is hiding inside. The washing dried dash in the sun. The washing dried quickly. So write down quickly here. We all studied dash for our examinations. We all studied hard. Hurry, the bus is leaving. The bus is leaving soon. So write down soon. I dash do my homework without being reminded to do it. I always do my homework. Always. In the desert, it dash rains. It seldom rains. Always is also done. It seldom rains. Means कभी कभी बारिश होती है रेगिस्तान में. The sun shone dash. कैसे shine करता है sun? Brightly. So write down brightly. Please finish your work today. Please finish your work today. Sanjay landed in his home late. So we have filled all the adverbs here. Now next. Rewrite each sentences inserting the word given in brackets in its proper place. The first one has been done as an example. अब हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे? हमें इन sentences को rewrite करना है. किससे? ये जो bracket में आपके words दिए गए हैं, इन words को proper place पे लगा के sentences फिर से बनाने हैं. So let's read the example here first. He did well in the examination. Fairly. अब कैसे इस word को insert करेंगे हम? He did fairly well in the examination. She spoke so quietly that we could hear her. Hardly. So rewrite the sentence. She spoke so quietly that we could hardly, देखिए hardly यहाँ आ गया, hardly hear her. Now children, I am going to do these sentences verbally. आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे इसको and I'll just read the sentences. I'll insert the words and read the sentence. 3 or 4 boys were late only. Only 3 or 4 boys were late. यहाँ only क्या होगा? पहले आ जाएगा. Only. Okay? And then rest of the sentence. I have told her to write neatly. And I have told her to write neatly. So often. I have often told her to write neatly. So often will come here. Fine? He makes silly mistakes sometimes. He sometimes will come here. Make silly mistakes. We see ourselves as others see us. Seldom. We seldom see ourselves as others see us. So seldom को यहाँ लिखें. Nothing happens by chance, ever. Nothing ever happens by chance. We visited her while in Delhi frequently. We frequently visited her while in Delhi. Okay, children? Now let's move further. Next is think of questions which will have the following answers. Use interrogative adverbs how, when, where and why to ask questions which should be directed towards the phrases given in italics. Now आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ इस साइड पे आंसर्स दिए गए हैं and you have to make the questions. Okay, let's read the first one which has been done. I go to school by bus. ये एक आंसर है. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या होगा और हमें क्या यूज करने हैं? एडवर्ब्स, ये वाले एडवर्ब्स यूज करने हैं. फाइन. हाउ, व्हेन, वेयर एंड व्हाई. हाउ डू यू गो टू स्कूल? आई गो टू स्कूल बाय बस. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द मैन लिव्स नेक्स्ट डोर. वेयर डज द मैन लिव? क्वेश्चन क्या बना? वेयर डज द man live? क्वेश्चन मार्क. याद रखिएगा, क्वेश्चन जब लिखते हैं, जब क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं तो उसके लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क जरूर लगता है. द ट्रेन विल लीव वेरी सून. व्हेन विल द ट्रेन लीव? व्हेन विल द ट्रेन लीव? ओके. नाउ लिसन टू द आंसर्स, the questions which I am going to make. जो questions मैं बनाऊंगी उसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा. He is crying due to pain. Why is he crying? Question mark. I am leaving next Sunday. When are you leaving? When are you leaving? I am leaving next Sunday. The prisoner was locked in a cell. Where was the prisoner locked? Okay. Next is the end of the chapter. So I hope आप सबको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा adverbs क्या होते हैं, उसके kinds and then the exercises which we have done. So thanks for watching the video, children. Let's meet again with a new chapter, something more interesting to learn. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.